Hello friends, welcome to my channel Tech HD. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can use VPN on Google Chrome browser. So let's start the video. So first of all you need to open Google Chrome. Now from here you have to type Touch VPN extension. Now from here you have to click Touch VPN Secure and Unlimited VPN Proxy. So after that you have to click Add to Chrome. From here you have to click Add Extension. So as you can see, it is successfully downloaded the extension. So you have to wait for some time. Now you can cross it here and you have to click these extensions. From here you can see the extension has successfully added. So you have to click on it. From here you can choose from which location you want to connect with the VPN. So you can see United States, Canada and Russia and many other countries. So if you have any choice, you can connect from any country. So if you click on connected, so you have successfully connected with the VPN. So if we check our location, so as you can see it is showing Netherlands. So this is how you can connect with Touch VPN. So if you want to disconnect it, you have to click stop here. So thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.